Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to withdraw your money from the Rocket Money, then this video is for you. So first thing, if you are on the mobile application or on the website, then you have to log into your account by this login button here. Or in the app, they will ask for the email address and password. So you can sign up for a new one if you don't have one. So you have to add your first name, last name, and email address. After adding that, you have to choose your goals, what you want to do, like savings or anything. Then link your account. You can link your bank account from here by simply click on add button here. You can find different types of bank from here that are available right now. Or you can use your credit card from here where this Rocket Money can actually get the money for savings. Now after that, you have to simply continue. Then you have to purchase the subscription of Rocket Money. Then you have to download the app and you are good to go. So when you are on app, you have to do is follow this instruction that as part of your financial security, funds that are in your financial goal can be only withdrawn to the exact same checking amount that they were originally pulled from. Once deposits have settled into your financial goal, you should be able to follow these steps to withdraw them back to the original checking account. So first, expand the savings section on the dashboard. Then tap on the name of the goal that you would like to withdraw funds from. Then you can find the withdraw button. Simply click on tap withdraw. Enter the amount that you would like to withdraw and then tap transfer. Now if you don't see the withdraw option after tapping on the name of the goal that you want to withdraw from, you can try following these steps. Expand the savings section on the dashboard. Then tap on the name of the goal that you would like to withdraw funds from. Then tap on the options in the upper right corner or the three-dot button. Then selection this withdraw money. Then enter the amount that you'd like to deposit and then tap transfer. So once you initiate a withdrawal, those funds will be returned to your original checking account within 1 to 2 business days. Please keep in mind that you are only able to withdraw $5,000 per day. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.